My name is Arturo Garcia. Been with Combat Marine Outdoors from the very beginning. Colonel Orr and I founded this great organization for a way of us reaching out to other veterans across America. We reach out to any veteran from any service, male or female, that have served their country and been in combat and has put so much into our freedom and protecting our way of life. It isn't something that CMO does. It is something that our community does for our veterans. And whenever they are invited, whether they're on a fishing trip, a hunting trip, or a bird hunt, they're gonna have first class of everything from start to finish. And it's all inclusive because of the support and because of the donations that we receive as Combat Marine Outdoors.
I'm Daniel Morris, and I'm a guide here at Burnt Pine Plantation. I've been guiding here for 8 years. It's very fun to guide the warriors and watch the enjoyment they have, seeing the dogs work and the birds fly and all the shooting and friendships we make in the field.
My name is Raymond Mackey, United States Marine Corps Sergeant Major, retired. Come here mainly for the camaraderie, meeting up with the new veterans and meeting up with old veterans, and sometimes just reuniting with some other veterans that we served with.
My name is Chuck Brazier. I was in the Air Force, so this is my first experience with Combat Marine Outdoors. The experience here with the lodge and the hunting, the bonding, meeting new people, it's just been phenomenal.
My name is Raymond Adams, and I was in the United States Marine Corps. Combat Marine Outdoors is the most phenomenal organization that I've had a pleasure to be a part of. This has been the best hunting trip that I've ever been on, but not because of the hunting, because of the camaraderie. I haven't felt that camaraderie since I left the Marine Corps. CMO is different from any other organization because you can tell they don't do this for a profit. They don't do it for recognition. They do it because they care. That's what makes it special.
My name is Master Sergeant Justin James, United States Air Force. With this experience doing the bird hunt through Combat Marine Outdoors, it's been by far the best experience I've had. They don't focus on war injuries or what's wrong with you. It's just get together, share camaraderie with a bunch of battle buddies, and laugh and poke and have fun. This is an experience I will never forget. Thank you for the opportunity to experience your love for humanity